All these years, bro. This is what's inside of a mortar.
Oh, no.
I'm scared for you guys.
Yeah, I'm way in there now.
That's good.
All right, that's just wide open.
All right, that looks great. Pour some in my hand. Ooh, what the? Ooh. Oh, dude, it popped. Paul, give me a handful. No!
It's like fairy dust.
Throw the whole fucker in. Or does it explode? I don't know.
It's not going to explode.
You don't think so? Try it out.
We're doing it.
Oh, no.
Kevin, man, get the fuck out of that chair.
No! Don't be doing this.
Take cover already.
Do it.